Hi, Sally here. If you really want to succeed in Forex trading, I highly recommend the simplest way to beat any financial market ebook. This book works and will save you a lot of frustration and money. Take it from me, who's been trying to succeed in Forex for 12 years, or can I say gambling for 12 years. The strategy is simple, it works, and my results are great. I've already won more than 23 small trades and closed one with a tiny loss. This little powerful book is a got-to-have for anyone who is serious about profiting in the Forex market.
Would your Forex trading results improve if you could predict tomorrow's market direction with a 70 to 80% trading accuracy? Think about it. With that state of mind and starting point, you will be 70% ahead of most traders who are trading blindly. Would you like to get your hands on this heavily guarded secret Forex trading strategy used by the secret elites who share it with no one? Learn when to enter a trade and when not to, how to turn losing trades into profitable ones should the market turn on you, how to never lose a trade again, worst case break even, and why you should never ever trade with a stop loss. If it's real results you want, head over to our website now at www.tradingforexmadeeasy.com or click the link below this video. Your days of guessing and trading blindly ends today. Go forth and prosper.